The first step is to open the air pressure. Now we have to turn on the switch button, and then to initialize the software we have to press the cycle button. Immediately the machine is moving to the home position automatically in the three axes X, Y and Z, as we can see in the video. We are going to move into the X axis in positive. Then we are going to move into the Y axis in negative. And finally change to the Z axis in negative.
Now the next step is to clean the piece we're going to use for the machining. Here we can see we're going to use the clank and a hammer to put the piece in the good location. Now we are going to put the tool we're going to use for the first time to make our piece. The rotation piece.
They're gonna get rid about the other spindle to be manual. Now they're gonna start manual format the spindle. Now see that one? So you're gonna approach the tool.
The next step is to establish our zero piece in the x-axis by touching our piece with the tool in one of the faces of the piece according to the x-axis. Now we need to repeat this process for the y and z axis.
We have the absolute zero.
Now we have to send our program to the computer to run it. This is the process to run our program to make our piece.
Stop, so F6.
Let's check the optional stops and the rotations. Now close the door to start the machine.
Here we can see an optional stop. These stops can be used to change the tool we're going to use to continue our process to machining our piece.
Here we can see that the worker is in the ground position, and in a long time it could produce a fatigue in the back.
Other implementation that we can make in this machine is the process to make sure that the tool is going to be in its own position. Other one are the borders of the doors. And the last thing is the way we are going to put our material in the ideal position in order to start processing our new product.